So now we're taking a look at the first two measures of St. Michael. Let's start off with the very last two chords. Here, we're starting with a D octave, and you're just going to go to third finger on G, G, D, simple, like that. That's simple. Now, let's add in the second and third beats of bar 1. It starts with fifth finger on B. The right hand will play the tenor voice, so we just play with the bass line. B, fourth finger on C, and then shift up to D octave, like that. So 5, 4, shift, 5, 1. And you can see it's just ascending by step, so that's pretty easy. So let's go ahead and now do that point through the downbeat of bar 2. Fifth finger on B, here we go. 5, 4, now the D octave, and to G, D. Once again, starting fifth finger on the B, and 5, 4, D octave, and to G, D. And that leaves us with the first 3 beats, starting from the pickup. So on this point here, we talked about a couple possibilities. You could use third finger on the G to E, B, and then shift down. Or if you want to go ahead and have an open position, start with second finger on G, 3, 1, on E, B, and down to 5. Okay, so you can decide which version you would like to do. I'll be doing the second version in this example just to avoid the shift. The benefits are the first version, it's a closed hand position, so it's more comfortable in that sense, but then you have a shift. Second version, you have an open hand position, but you don't have the shift. So it's just whatever you prefer. Okay, so we start with the G, and then E, B, and then down to B, like that. Now in time. 3, and 4, and 1, and 2. And at that point, we can do the entire left hand for this section, starting on the G. Here we go. 3, and G, then E, B, and down to B, up to C, up to the D octave, and then go to third finger on G. Let's do that again. Ready on G. 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, D octave, 4, G, D.